Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go through the steps for multiplying decimals, okay? I'm going to write mine a little bit differently than what the textbook says. They're both correct, but I like the way I wrote mine a little better, and I'll show you what I mean, okay? So, multiplying decimals. Very similar to multiplying whole numbers, okay, except for a couple of additions here. So one, you're going to align the numbers as if they were whole numbers. You're going to just ignore the decimal points in the numbers. Okay, you're just going to line them up the same way as if they were whole numbers. Then two, what you're going to do is you're going to, and then number one, and then when you do that, you just multiply. So you're going to basically multiply the two numbers, ignoring the decimals for a moment. Okay, so just multiply them as if they were whole numbers. Then, once you got your product, you're going to count the number of digits that lie to the right of all of the decimals. Okay? So you're going to count all of the digits in the top part. So the two numbers that you're multiplying together. You're going to count all of the digits that lie to the right of any decimal points, and you're going to add those together. Okay? So you get a sum of those digits. Then you're going to go to the product that you got, and you're going to start at the leftmost, or excuse me, the rightmost digit, at the very rightmost end of the product. And that's where you're going to start. And then you're going to count however many digits that you got in number two. Whatever answer you got in number two, you're going to count that many places from the very end of the rightmost end of your product until you reach that number, okay, or the number of places, okay, and then you stick your decimal point there, okay. So that's it. I'm going to do an example and it'll make more sense, but that is the steps of how you multiply decimals.